In this video, we'll dive into how to create and sign digital contracts in Deel, making the process fast, secure, and efficient. Whether you're a freelancer or a business owner, Deel allows you to streamline your contract process. Stay with me until the end, as I'll also show you a way to access Deel for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that you won't want to miss. First, let's get started with creating a contract in Deel. Once you're logged into your account, you'll see a simple, clean interface. On the dashboard, you'll find an option to create a new contract. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to choose the type of contract you want to create. Deel offers various contract templates to fit the needs of different kinds of work, whether it's for a freelancer, a remote employee, or a contractor. The templates make it incredibly easy to get started. Now, once you've chosen the template, it's time to fill in the details. You'll enter information such as the worker's name, job title, project scope, payment terms, and the start and end dates of the contract. Deel makes it easy to customize these details to suit your specific needs. The contract builder is intuitive, allowing you to adjust the terms, add clauses, and tailor it to your business. After filling in all the necessary fields, you can preview the contract to ensure everything looks good. This preview feature is great for reviewing the details before moving to the next step. Next, it's time to send the contract for signing. Deel offers a seamless digital signature process. You can invite the other party to sign the contract via email, and once they click the link, they'll be taken to a secure page where they can review the contract and sign it electronically. The e-signature process is legally binding and recognized globally, so you don't have to worry about the authenticity of the signed document. Once the contract is signed, both parties will receive a copy of the signed contract for their records. Deel also stores the contract securely within the platform, so you can access it at any time in the future. This means you don't have to deal with paper contracts, scanning, or storing them in physical files. Everything is digital, secure, and organized. Now, one of the best parts about Deel is that you can manage all your contracts in one place. You can easily track the status of contracts, see who has signed, and even send reminders if needed. If you're managing multiple clients or employees, this tool is a lifesaver because it keeps everything centralized. I know you're probably wondering if this tool is free, and the good news is that Deel offers an exclusive extended free trial, which you can access right now through the first link below. This free trial gives you the chance to test out all of Deel's features, including the contract creation and signing features we just went over, without any cost or commitment. Deel is one of the best tools available for managing digital contracts because it simplifies the entire process. If you're tired of dealing with clunky, outdated contract processes, Deel is the solution you need to streamline your work and ensure security at every step. Don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial by clicking the first link below. It's a limited time offer, so make sure you take advantage of it before it expires. Thanks for watching, and I hope you're now ready to create and sign digital contracts in Deel with ease.